so koje managing the business sichangu kumanaging chotategeera kati I've not managed a media company wondeta ana kumanaging NTV nsolo jisula. So but if I had one, I would be a very good business owner. Okay. So the best business owners bana ba managing abalala be bana batandika nga basobola okwemanaging. If you can't manage yourself, you can't manage others. So kakati bw'ovaano saving akasente tonyoma kyotandise kabotike bakalimu engoye 3 gwe katandike. Skills ogenda ziyigirawo. If I could show you my pictures, I have them solo balaga later. If I tosobola nakukkiriza nti navaamu omuntu afaana bwati very small tiny lauza kaduka katono nothing inside amasamakalu could hardly get the rent out, could hardly get anything to eat, but I was learning the skills. When no know you got skills, oh, this is the process of learning skills. Bino bikolwa limuvubuka kubanga byetaaga amaanyi byetaaga okukeera. If you have a business togenda zoka sawa nyasa watano, the more you wake up late ba customer bagende walala they are getting options. So kati bijongera okukola sawa entono jongera okumeetinga ba client abatono. So this one needs a lot of effort. Kazana ku university, I will give you a brief history. Nenga nkeera kumacha nengenda nensuubula. I have little capital. So when I sell in the day, nekumacha nokuda munsubule. And I went back to study again. Mala okusubula, nestocking edduuka, nengenda nensoma, ate nekuma mu dduuka. The same person. So a lot of hard work here and hustling. It's not easy for somebody 90 years, 80 years nga kwota to do this. So the best age to do this is now. The best age is to save a little bit of your salary and get to self-employment. This is the only way you are going to manage others, because now you can manage your business yourself. Okay. Abasinga okulemererwa be bana babeera mu mirimu ne bagala batandike business batekemu omulala tebagikolangako. Olina jana muliramu boutique ekola ne boutique efuna mobile money ekola kiralu kwata sente milioni 10 tandika mobile money tagikolangako. So it is risky to invest in a business you have never done. That's the most risky part.